Good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. Oh, yeah, look at that little extra piece of hair right there. Yeah, you must have had some knots, too. Let's see. Let's straight ahead. Yeah, that's a good boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's it.
I like to see who gets that comb and scissors after this haircut.
Hey, he's clean now. He's nice and clean.
Having
now.
to redo the groomer's work.
Yeah.
Don't ever fuck up a hairstylist's dog.
Oh, yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy, yeah. How's that? How's that feel? They got you good over here? Okay. Yeah, nice and crisp. Yeah, look at that, yeah. Get you right there. That's okay. How's that profile? Let's see. Lumps here.
Like curly mane.
Good boy. Yeah, who's cute? Who's looking cute? Oh, here comes Buster trying to get his picture.
Buster.
Yeah, good boy.
This is like seeing a human in a chair. I'm not, it is kind of freaking me out.
His ears even.
That one looks better. Let's see. I think this one might have a little bit too much.
Your floppy ears.
Oh, yeah, right.
He's looking at me.
What's he doing to me? Oh, yeah. Does that tickle? Do that tickle? Yes, does that tickle?